I think that's poison ivy. That was it, that was it. Oh, where is it? There you go. A lot of birding is just sitting here and waiting, and that's what we've been doing because we're target birding, which means we're after a certain species of bird, the red-cockaded woodpecker. I'm no good at really sitting still for a long time, but I really want to see this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? This woodpecker is a threatened woodpecker that used to be endangered. So threatened is one level up from endangered, so that's good, right? And they only love to stay in tall, what is it? Tall pine trees, right?
Yeah,
long leaf pine trees. But they have to be old. So a lot of their area has been taken away from them. Obviously, they've lost their habitat because those trees have gone away from logging or whatever.
They're picky.
They're very picky. They also like to eat, isn't it a certain fungus off the longleaf pine? And they nest in them too. So that's why they're hard to find. I hope we fucking find one.
12 seconds later.
We found it. I can't get a picture.
Yeah, you screaming, that's it.
I know. Me getting too excited did not help either.
Birding's a very quiet sport, Angela.
Sometimes.
Shouldn't curse so much. It offends the birds.
I'll show you like right where, so if you look, there's that tree with the white on it. That's where they've marked and they've put a box up there so they know they put a nesting box up there. And so there's the trees that this thing is going to be in, the longleaf pines. And apparently there's only one out here. You can hear it. I thought I just heard a yellow-billed cuckoo too.
You did hear yellow-billed cuckoo.
You gotta be careful about having your mouth open out here. Bugs will fly in it. That was it, that was it. This is a lot of what birding usually is sitting still and shutting up for a little bit. John, what's that?
It's purple martin.
Yeah, that's what it sounded like.
Yeah.
Interesting. We've been hearing it, so we don't hear it anymore. But maybe we'll find this red-cockaded over on the other side. We might. I think that's poison ivy, so. That other bird you're hearing is eastern towhee. I've already almost tripped at least 6 or 7 times, so. That's an eastern towhee. That's a tufted titmouse. Eastern towhee, tufted titmouse. But we just heard that from bird. That's a downy woodpecker. Oatmeal this morning for breakfast. I just want to tell you that. Oh, I just heard a summer tanager.
Oh, scared him. He's right in front of you. Stop walking. Up to the right. Your other right.
Okay, right.
Oh.
Where is it?
There you go.
Oh, it's red too.
Yeah, he's very red.
Male.
That's a lady. He's chasing. Oh, we're about to see something. He's up in the pine tree above you.
This one?
Yeah. You got lady.
That's the cardinal.
Yeah.
Okay. Cardinal, no offense, but I need to see the tanager.
He's got his head in the shadow. Get out of there.
Oh God, it's so pretty, dude.
There you go. All right. Oh, who's a pretty bird? You are.
Who just called me and why? Guys, where is he now?
He's above you.
Oh shit, I see him. Oh, John, this is good. Is that a chicken? You're a gnatcatcher.